Hello everyone, in this video, let's dive into a tutorial on Python function scopes, tuples, and dictionaries. In Python, function scopes refer to the visibility and accessibility of variables within the functions. Meron tong tatlong uri ng variable scope sa Python: local, enclosing, non-local, and global. Number 1 is local scope. Variables defined inside a function have local scope, meaning they are only accessible within that function. They are created when the function is called and destroyed when the function execute completes. There's an example. In the above code, the variable x has local scope. Within the my function, close and open parenthesis function, it is accessible and can be used within the function, but outside the function, it is not defined. Number 2 is enclosing or non-local scope. If a variable is defined in an outer function and accessed in an inner function, it is considered to have an enclosing scope or non-local scope. In this code, the variable x is defined in the outer function. Inside the inner function, inner underscore function, open and close parentheses, the non-local keyword is used to access and modify the value of x from the outer function. The last scope is the global scope. Variables defined outside of any function or at the top level of the module have global scope. They can be accessed and modified from anywhere within the program. Here's an example for global scope. In that code, you can see the variable x is defined outside the function, making it a global variable. Inside the function, we access and modify the global variable using the global keyword. Next tutorial that we're going to have are about tuples. Tuples are immutable sequences that can store multiple values of different types. They are defined using parentheses or the tuple construction. Here are some examples. The last one is dictionary. Dictionaries are collections of key value, pairs enclosed in curly braces. Each value is associated with a unique key, allowing for efficient lookup and retrieval. Here's another example. You can access value in a dictionary using their corresponding keys. You can also modify, add, or remove key value pairs in a dictionary using various methods and operations. In Python, the global keyword is used to indicate that a variable is a global variable, meaning it can be accessed and modified from anywhere within the program. By default, variables declared within a function have a local scope, meaning they are only accessible within the function. However, if you want to modify a global variable from within a function, you need to use the global keyword. Here's an example to illustrate the usage of the global keyword. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.